Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tale Crafter English, where stories make English exciting and change lives. Today, you're not just listening to a story, you're opening the door to a new you. If you listen carefully, this could be the moment that lights a fire in your heart. Let me ask you something. Do you dream of speaking English with confidence? Do you want to talk to new people, get a better job, or travel the world? If your answer is yes, but you feel scared or stuck, this is your wake-up call. I'm here to share a simple story about a woman who changed her life by learning English. This isn't just a story, it's a map to your dreams. Are you ready? Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a woman named Anna. Anna was 30 years old. She worked at a small cafe, lived in a tiny apartment, and had a quiet life. But Anna wasn't happy. She felt trapped. She wanted more from life, but something held her back. She couldn't speak English. Anna had big dreams. When she was a girl, she dreamed of traveling to new countries, meeting new friends, and working in a big city. She wanted to share her ideas, laugh in conversations, and feel free. But every time she tried to speak English, she froze. My English is bad, she thought. I'm not smart enough. I'll never learn.
So she stopped trying.
One day, something changed. Anna was at the cafe, serving coffee. A customer, a kind man from America, smiled and spoke to her in English. Good coffee, he said. Anna wanted to say something back, but she couldn't. She just nodded and felt embarrassed. The man left, and Anna felt sad. I want to talk to people like him, she thought. I want to share my story. I want to be confident. That night, Anna couldn't sleep. She looked out her window at the stars. This is not who I want to be, she said. I want to speak English. I want to live my dreams. That was the moment everything changed. Anna made a promise. Tomorrow, I start learning English. Tomorrow, I start changing my life. The next morning, Anna woke up early. She felt nervous. I'm not good at English, she thought. Where do I start? But she remembered the man at the cafe.
He was kind, she said.
If I learn a few words, I can talk to him next time. Anna found a free English app on her phone. She started with one word. Hello. Anna practiced every day. She said hello in the mirror. She said thank you to customers. She learned simple words like good, happy, and friend. It wasn't easy. Sometimes she forgot words. Sometimes she felt silly. But she kept going. Small words every day, she told herself. That's how I'll grow. Anna made English fun. She listened to English songs and sang along. She watched short videos with subtitles. She repeated phrases like, I am strong, and I can do this. She didn't understand everything, but she felt proud.
I'm learning, she said.
I'm getting better. After a month, Anna noticed something amazing. She could say simple sentences. Good morning, she said to a customer. The customer smiled and said, Good morning, back. Anna's heart jumped. I did it, she thought. Her friends noticed, too. Anna, you're speaking English, they said. You sound confident. And Anna was confident. For the first time, she believed in herself. Anna's journey wasn't always smooth. Some days, she didn't want to study. Some days, she felt stuck. But Anna remembered her promise. Small steps every day, she told herself. That's how I'll win. She made a simple rule. Never skip 2 days in a row. If she missed a lesson one day, she studied the next day. This rule changed everything. Anna found new ways to learn. She joined a free English group at the library. She practiced with other beginners. They laughed, made mistakes, and helped each other.
We're all learning, Anna said.
She also started writing. Every night, she wrote one sentence in English. Today, I am happy. Today, I learned a new word. Writing helped her think in English. One day, the American customer came back to the cafe. Anna took a deep breath. Hello.
Welcome back, she said.
The man smiled. Wow, your English is good, he said. They talked for a minute. It wasn't perfect, but Anna felt alive. I'm speaking English, she thought. The man left, but Anna's confidence stayed. After 6 months, Anna was a new person. She could have short conversations. She understood more songs and videos. She even helped new customers with simple English. Her voice was clear. Her smile was bright. But the biggest change was her heart. Anna knew she could do hard things. She knew she could change her life. One sunny morning, Anna woke up in her small apartment. She looked out the window and saw her town. She smiled. This is just the beginning, she thought. Anna had a new dream now. She wanted to use her English to see the world. She wanted to help others learn, too. Anna applied for a new job in a big city. It was a job at a hotel helping tourists. She was nervous, but she practiced for the interview. I can do this, she said. At the interview, she spoke English. She made mistakes, but she kept going. The manager smiled. You're learning fast, he said. We need people like you. Anna got the job. At the hotel, Anna met people from everywhere: America, England, Australia. She talked to them, laughed with them, and shared stories. She felt free. She even started a small English club at work. Every week, she helped her coworkers practice. You don't need to be perfect, Anna told them. Just start. One day, a young man joined the club.
His name was David.
He was shy. My English is terrible, he said. I'll never learn. Anna smiled. That's what I thought, too, she said. But you're stronger than you know. Say one word today. I'll help you. David said, hello. A year later, David was speaking, smiling, and helping others. Anna, you changed my life, he said. Anna shook her head. No, David. You changed your life. I just showed you the way. Now, let's talk about you. Yes, you, the person listening to this story. Anna's story is not just about her. It's about you, too. You have the same power. You have the same strength. You can learn English and change your life. But you have to take the first step. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine this. You wake up one morning and you're speaking English. You talk to new friends. You get a better job. You travel to new places. You share your ideas and people listen. You feel confident, proud, and free. This is not a dream. This is possible. But it starts with you. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need a teacher or a lot of money. You just need to start. Say one word today. Hello. Thank you. Listen to one English song. Watch one short video. Write one sentence. These small steps will grow. They will carry you to a stronger, happier you. What if you make mistakes? That's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. But don't stop. Try again. Never skip 2 days in a row. Keep practicing, and you will see results. You will speak clearer. You will feel prouder. You will open new doors. This is your wake-up call. The life you want is waiting for you. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop saying, I'm not good enough. Start today. Work hard. Stay focused. Never give up. The journey won't be easy, but it will be worth it. I believe in you. You are stronger than you think. You are unstoppable. Start speaking English and start changing your life. Go out there and shine. Thank you for listening to Tale Crafter English. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone you care about. Let's learn English and grow together. See you in the next story.